What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video from TNT Anglers. I'm actually on my way right now to meet Teddy and our friend Spencer, and we're gonna go to my farm pond that I actually caught a PB bass on. We'll link that up here, so click on that if you want to watch it. But today we're gonna do a little bit of a challenge video, and that challenge is gonna be a little gummy worm challenge. These right here are sour neon night crawlers. So we're gonna throw these on, probably just wacky rig them on, and throw them out there and see if the fish are biting on them. We've never tried this before, so we think this will be pretty interesting. And if you guys are subscribed to LTB, from the July box they threw in some bait butter. It's just, I guess it's just something you just put on a bait and it's supposed to attract the fish. So we might even toss that on there, see if that makes a difference. But it should be an interesting day. The major time is at 4 o'clock. It is 3:30 on the dot right now. So by the time we get there, should be perfect timing. So it should be fun. Stay tuned.
Dang, it does stay on there good.
Alright, so this is what we're looking at right here.
For my touch.
Not very long, but just kind of wacky rigged in there.
It's like it almost broke by hook.
I'm gonna start with the green and yellow. I don't know what them boys are starting with. Looks
Orange
like
and pink.
orange and
Red.
pink, blue and red. So there's the pond down there. Got a light rain coming in, but it's major time, so it should be good.
Alright, got the sour gummy worm on. Time to start this challenge. Hooked up. Ooh, that's actually not a bad fish on the gummy worm. Show it to him. With the worm in its mouth. On that blue and red gummy bear, baby. Or gummy worm.
There he is.
That's probably about a... Dude, that's...
Look at the gummy worm on there.
That's actually not a bad fish.
What you
Alright,
doing?
so there's our first fish of the day. Our friend Spence caught one on the gummy worm. Getting the release. Come on, eat the sour worm. Snatched? They're by Spence right now. Oh, I just lost mine too. Alright guys, so we're going to wrap up the gummy worm challenge. Didn't really go as planned, but we did complete the challenge. Our buddy Spencer caught one on like the blue and red gummy worm. So that was pretty cool to see us catch something on like candy. So that was pretty cool. We do have a couple more challenge videos coming your way. We got with our roommates and fished with them the other day, and the video came out pretty well, and there will be a consequence for the losing team on that one, so be ready for that video. But we're gonna wrap things up for here today, and hope you guys enjoyed. As always, like this video if you enjoyed and want to see more, and subscribe to stay tuned. See you guys.